Hello, my people. I want to update you on this our project. Okay, you can see this is that our road construction project, and we are still on it. We are still on it. So by the side here, we are doing something. We are doing something here. By the side here, we are doing something. So we are trying to get here due to the topography of the place, and this is a canal. Is a seasonal water. So we are fixing up this place for something by the client, and this is our project. Work is still ongoing. So let me take you up to that place, the phase 2 of this project. We have continued the drainage, digging of the drainage. We took it to up there, up there. We are dealing with the right side of the drainage for now. So we have continued the project here, the drainage system, the gutter. This is how far we have gone. You can see the length of the road from that point up here. So we intend doing this project up to this point. We intend closing up the road from here at this point. So this is the end point of this project. So hopefully with time we'll get to this point, to this place. This is a work in progress. Reach out to PFAV Network Limited every time for your road construction projects, your civil engineering projects, your buildings, everything that has to do with your real estate investment portfolio. We manage your property, and our clients' satisfaction is our priority. God bless you.